Today we're camping in Wales. Camping in the UK is totally different than the USA. Please don't judge, because I know it's different than the USA, different in Canada, different in Australia. This is not wild camping. It is different than if you're used to wild camping.
This is our tent and we are going to be showing you how we set it up. So let's go. We unpacked everything from the car and we're going to start. What are we doing next now? Are we cooking?
I'm gonna move the car.
Yes.
Just gonna sit down a second.
We arrived a bit late. The place is so beautiful. We've not had a chance to just sit and take a breather. So hopefully we'll do that now. We're on pitch number 27 here at Trwyn Wylfa campsite. We have chosen an electric hookup pitch. And you can see through retrieving the wire that this is actually going all the way into our tent. So this tent is called Spirit 6 by High Gear. We bought it from a shop in the UK. It's called Go Outdoors, and it comes equipped with a space for an electric socket. This is the area where we sleep. We'll set up everything here. In the middle, it's basically the lounge, so you can set up the camping table. And in this other room where you normally have, let's say, at least 3 people being able to sleep, we have actually set up the fridge with food, dry food, lots of water, different clothes, jackets, because at nighttime it'll get cold. Plus we have a heater that we will turn on at nighttime when it gets cold. Because we have a socket, we can just plug it in. And again, from Go Outdoors, we bought this mains kit. So you plug this into the electric point, and then the rest you'll have access to 3 sockets.
Welcome to the campsite in the UK in North Wales. It's pitch black here, so I'm going to be using the lights. You may not see well. Alex is going to help as much as possible with the light. Let's talk a bit about the camping. So this is a campsite. What it means is in the UK you can go and they provide you with a pitch and where you can have a tent. They have facilities like toilets, showers, etc. It's not wild camping. Wild camping in the UK is very different than other countries. We have a lot of regulations and it's very tight. So we're not middle of nowhere. We're not alone. There are people here, people having barbecues, people enjoying their time. We're near the sea, which we'll show you tomorrow. So if you wanted to see what we're doing throughout the day, you'd have to watch another video. But for now, it's going to be camping alone. Okay, so this is important to know. It's almost 9 o'clock. We are hungry. I'm going to cook rice. I'm going to cook chicken. We're going to have vegetables, pickles, a bit of this, a bit of that. So I'll tell you something. Yes, we are camping, but we got a rice cooker. Alex and went and washed the rice. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to make it simple rice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some salt. Okay, add a little bit of black pepper. So I'm just doing a simple rice at this moment. What I like to do is I would like to put a little bit of olive oil. That's enough. That's actually more than enough. We need to fill it up for 1.5 cups. Believe it or not, we are camping and we're gonna plug it into a socket. This is new for me, by the way. This is my first time ever. When I told Alex let's take the rice cooker to the camping, she thought I was joking. So now it's cooking. That's a proof that we have electricity while camping. This is cooking. Next, chicken. These are chicken thighs that we prepared at home. We put honey, we put salt, we put black pepper, we put soy sauce, we put olive oil and paprika. So it's ready to go. The rice is cooking. I'm gonna turn on the gas. Let's put it. No need olive oil because they are thighs and they have fat content inside. The fact that we prepared everything at home, it's ready to go. You can see bubble, can you see? Yes. So it's cooking. We put salt here in an old container, black pepper, paprika, and we use an old container or old bottle to put olive oil. And if you see me just peeking out of the tent like that, that's oh, behind you. Look at this. Oh.
Is that a fly?
Yeah. So it's because we have the mesh on here, and we're doing our best not to bring flies
Inside, yeah.
so because of the light. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's start plating. The rice is ready. Oh, look how fluffy it is.
Wow.
Look how fluffy it is. Let me show you a trick. We add some salad.
Wow, so colorful.
Chicken is nice, right?
It's like juicy.
Okay, that's yours.
Thank you.
That's mine. And we have plenty for tomorrow for lunches. So we're packing these for lunches for our day out.
Yes.
This video, you will not see what's happening tomorrow. This video is only for camping. So this video will show you how we're camping tonight. But to see what we're doing throughout the day, it'll be a different video. Because it'll be too long, it'll be too boring for you to watch it all at once. Oh, by the way, we are going to do a live update video. And in that video, we're going to update you of, because we're getting a lot of questions, so we're going to answer a lot of your questions. But that will be soon. Not very soon, but soon. So, should we start? I'm hungry.
Let's start.
Let's do it. The rice. The salad, by the way, it's ready made, but... The chicken. Look how tender it is. Chicken thighs are fatty. See the rice? That's why I wanted it plain, because it's full of sugar. Here we put honey. It's sugar.
Yeah. Better to be plain.
And
Plus
pickles?
pickles. Yeah, I was going to say. Okay. Let's dig in.
After a lovely meal, this lovely campsite, it's one of the best campsites that we have been to. It's very nice. They have washing facilities, so I'm just washing the dishes. And Alex is helping me. So,
Helping with the drying.
yeah.
So there are 3 fridges available. 2 large ones, 1 small one. This is a washing machine. So you can insert coins to do 30 minutes or 40 minutes, 45 minutes cycle. And then you have a tumble dryer. So it costs £2 for 1 hour, and then your clothes will come out dry. You can pay in here for the tumble dryer and the washing machine. If you don't want to cook at the campsite like we have done, then you have different options for what to eat. You have the menus with the prices.
These are phone charging lockers. It's a very smart site. So what you do is you put your phone here. Let's say you put your phone here, and you just plug in the phone and you can charge it. But of course you want to secure it. So what you do is you put £1 here, and so when you lock it, you can take the key out. So now you cannot take the key out.
Yes.
It will only work if you put £1.
Right, is that like at the gym where you put the £1?
So if you put £1, only then
you can take the key out.
you can take the key out.
Oh,
Yeah. Only then
that's
you can
very
take the
smart.
key out. However, let's say you want to check your phone quickly.
Yeah.
So you unlock,
Yeah.
you check your phone. If you want to close it back,
Yeah.
and you want to take the key out, you,
You
have to
have
put
to-
another £1.
Another, or does it come out from here?
No. So it's every time you put £1,
Yeah.
you can lock. Every time you want to lock and remove the key, you put £1. I mean, you could at the end of the day charge it and stay here.
Let's say if it's
But
fast
it costs the same as when you have electric pitch. So when you're there, it's the same thing.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's like you charging there or you charging here. But I guess if you
if you have a non-electric hookup, you know.
if you
yeah.
don't have an electric one, so you can
Yeah.
come here and put it at £1 and come back
Yeah.
in 2 hours and phone will be charged.
Yes.
Or an hour or 30 minutes, whatever.
And there are 10 of them.
Yeah. So I
That's
like
really
this
good.
campsite.
Yeah, me too.
I like this campsite.
I think I read somewhere that cleaning is done at least twice a day, and they come even in the evening.
You know
to clean.
what? This is the name of the campsite.
Is it Trwyn Wylfa?
Throughout this video, we're gonna pronounce the site name incorrectly most of the times, okay?
Most likely.
When we do, please don't get upset. It's Welsh, so
Yes, yeah. We don't speak Welsh, unfortunately.
yeah.
Oh, yes.
So
We're trying
hopefully
our
we
best.
don't offend anyone.
Yes,
But we're trying
yeah.
our best to
Yes.
pronounce it correctly.
Yes.
So this
So
is the
give us a
disclaimer.
like for the effort.
So check this out. Over here, dog parking.
You can put the lid in here,
Yeah, and that's their food.
and they have a bowl ready to drink water. So if you just need to use the facilities here, then you can use that.
And this is
The mysterious flashlight.
by the way, in this campsite, to respect everyone,
Yes.
between 11 and
7 a.m.
7,
No noise.
No noise.
Yeah, no noise policy.
We're going to make turkey rashes this morning. If my hair is not arranged, it's because we just woke up. I'm not going to use oil because it's fatty already. You can see the fat on it. Yeah.